and welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I do have something to do. My buddy had a birthday, so I told him I would do his headlights for him. So why not make a video about it, because it's car related. And the headlights look like junk. They're pretty bad. So the plan is, I never used this stuff before. I usually use the one that you put on a drill. But we'll see how it works. He bought it. It's all done by hand. Look, they have gloves. Who uses gloves anyway? Surface activator. Sand and polish. Finish. UV blocker clear. Cool. Alright, let's see how it works. So I'm going to kind of go through the process of how I do it. You can remove the headlight if it's easy, but I don't want to. So I'm going to tape off the sides and make sure I don't mess up anything else while I'm doing the headlight. And let's get started. Alright, let's use some painter's tape. And what we're trying to do is just avoid from jacking anything else up that's not the headlights. Step one, it even says it on the bottle. Alright, so first step was to spray this on, let it sit for 30 seconds. Wipe it off with water and a rag, which I just did. I just have a bowl with water in it. Yeah, some nasty bowl that I use for all kinds of stuff. That's what I'm going to use to wet sand this. So you wet sand it, you get 3 types of sandpaper, 400, 1000 grit, and 2000 grit. So here's 1000, here's 2000. So there's 3 pieces. So what you're going to see is just me wet sanding this and then going through the grits. Should look like a clear white haze when you get to this phase. But I still have some big chunks here, so I'm not quite done yet. Something you will notice when you're going through this, it starts getting a lot smoother as you get the areas you get. It doesn't feel as grainy. Just keep wetting your area. Let's dry it off, see how it looks. Now it's not as milky and nasty. It's starting to get a lot better now. And if you do notice that you missed some areas that are still real nasty, you can go back to the 400 and hit it again. And then repeat the process. But I think I should be fine. Let's go ahead and move on to the next step, which is the 2000. Now you shouldn't see any deep scratches here. Should be just a white haze. And it should feel pretty dang smooth. Okay, with the kit comes with the compound. So let's get the corner off. They supply these little things, and this is what they say to polish with. So we will polish with this thing. All right, let's take a look at both of them. That's a big difference. Let's see what the headlights look like when they're on. Well, this isn't a really good position, but definitely huge improvement. All right, let's finish this up. Okay. Now it says to use the activator again. It softens up the plastic or something. Then you wash it off with water after 30 seconds. This is the blue towel it came with. This is step 3, UV clear coat. So just gotta make sure all of the sucker's dry. Okay. It was like a clear coat. Wow, that thing looked brand new, didn't it? Okay. Well, that's how you clean them. I'm gonna do the other side with the magic of YouTube and video editing, so you don't have to watch me do that other side. So I'll be back in a couple seconds. All right, we are all done. Let's take a look. This one turned out amazing. This one's drying still. And this one's drying still. So, what are my thoughts on the Sylvia kit? It worked good. I mean, it takes a little bit of elbow grease, doesn't require a drill or anything. So if you don't have a drill, it's great. But they have kits that do have a drill and attachment. And if you take the headlight out, it makes it super easy to just kind of use the drill to kind of sand it all down with 3 steps and polish it and all that stuff. So yeah, this one came with a little clear coat thing on the end. My other one did not. I think a lot of the new ones do, because that was kind of an issue. You go in here and you spend all the time cleaning it all up, and next thing you know, it hazes over a year because it doesn't have a clear coat on it. So yeah, I think overall it's a pretty good little setup. Only time will tell, see if this clear coat works or not. And yeah, this concludes this episode. If you want to see the lights on again, let's check it out. I think it's a little brighter. Of course, blocking one of the lights. Anyway, I'll kind of compare the two videos and see what you guys' thoughts on it. All right, yeah. So until next time, you guys have a good one. Thank you. Bye.